This is the HOROW N30 and it installs like a regular toilet. As I mentioned, there were no outlets that I needed, no rewiring, no electrician, yet somehow it still gives you that clean, modern look. Built-in bidet features people usually associate with much more expensive smart toilets. This thing does have the bells and whistles, and after using it now for a while, I actually think this hits a really interesting middle ground for a lot of homeowners, because not everyone wants to spend over $1,000 remodeling a bathroom just to get a bidet functionality and a more updated setup. The first thing that stands out to me is the design, like I had mentioned. This does not look like a traditional toilet at all, of course. The HOROW N30 has that sleek, one-piece smart toilet appearance with smooth lines and a much cleaner overall profile than the bulky toilets most homes still have, and in fact this one did also. It instantly modernizes the bathroom without needing to redo the entire space.